Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we are going to learn about data collection and its representation using a smart chart called the tally marks with the help of an amazing and interesting Intelli activity. You will need the following material from your Intelli Smart Box to perform the activity. Take out the data handling cards from your Intelli Smart Box. Draw out the deck of 50 cards. We are going to represent this data using the tally marks. Let us first learn to represent the numbers as tally marks. The number 1 is represented by one vertical line and the number 2 is represented by two vertical lines. Similarly, the number 3 and 4 are represented by 3 and 4 vertical lines respectively. The number 5 is represented by 4 vertical lines crossed by a slanted line. And we add 1, 2, 3 and 4 vertical lines to represent the numbers 6, 7, 8 and 9 as tally marks. And the number 10 is represented by 2 tally marks of the number 5. And like this, you can represent all the counting numbers as tally marks. Shuffle the deck of 50 data cards thoroughly and draw out 20 data cards, keeping the rest of the cards aside. These 20 cards is your data in hand. Observe the side of card which has a picture on it. Every card belongs to a category out of the 5 categories named as scientist, businessman, sportsperson, astronaut and mathematician. Let us stack the data cards category wise. It's easier to do by matching colors. The red cards are of the category scientist. The blue cards are of the category businessman. The green cards are of the category sportsperson. The orange cards are of the category astronaut. And the yellow cards are of the category mathematician. Let us see how many cards we have for each category and represent the count using the tally marks. We have 5 cards of the category scientist and the number 5 is represented by 4 vertical lines crossed by a slanted line. We have 6 data cards of the category businessman and the number 6 is represented by the tally mark of 5 followed by 1 vertical line. We have 3 data cards of the category sportsperson. The number 3 is represented by 3 vertical lines. We have 4 data cards of the category astronaut. The number 4 is represented by 4 vertical lines. And we have 2 cards of the category mathematician and the number 2 is represented by 2 vertical lines. This is the tally mark smart chart representing the data of 20 famous personalities from 5 different categories. We are sure that after performing the activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: representation of counting numbers as tally marks, data collection and its representation using the tally mark smart chart, and interpretation of the data given in the form of tally marks. Now you can draw out any number of cards and represent it using the tally mark smart chart. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.